Well, San Francisco is an expensive place to live. We all know that, especially if you're only making $100,000 a year. So in today's video, we called up our colleague Mike Dong, who is a very successful agent here in San Francisco. Not only that, but a very successful investor as well. He takes multi-million-dollar properties in San Francisco, tears it all down, rebuilds it from scratch, and turns it into an even more luxurious home to live in. And we'll show you a few examples here, but man, these homes are amazing. Just last year, he did over 20 projects, and what he does is he takes a home, let's say a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, and converts it into a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom in some instances. And in this video today, we took a look at one of his upcoming projects that's finishing up, that is about to hit the market, and we're gonna take you on a tour of exactly what he does, and he breaks it down for us to show us what is possible in San Francisco. And if you own a home in San Francisco, you own a gold mine. What this means is you can take that home, even if it doesn't look pretty at all, you can take that home, convert it into a newer home, a remodel, renovated house, and sell it for a massive profit. And then you can use that money and go buy a property in Texas, in Florida, retire for the next 20 years, and you would be fine living on a gold mine. So without further ado, my partner Jeff will take you on a tour with Mike Dong to take a look at this amazing renovated property here in San Francisco.
Hey, welcome everybody. My name is Jeffrey DeSouza, and I'm here with Mike Dong, a third-generation San Francisco investor, flipper, realtor, and I'm really excited. We're here in the Richmond district in San Francisco. This is his stomping ground. He's been flipping homes for many generations, and so tell us about your property here, Mike.
Yeah, so this is something that we bought last year. It used to be a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, about 1,000 square foot. And then we got the whole thing and turned it to a 4-bedroom, and big 2-3-bath, and it's about maybe 1,900 square feet now.
Oh, okay. So you added a good.
We did all new plumbing, foundation, roof. Everything is brand new from the ground up. Wow, pretty much, my all other projects.
Okay, let's go take a look. Check it out.
This is we're almost in the finish phase. Okay, following the final finish stuff like appliances. Well, everything's done already. Just gotta clean up, and so we usually have a 1-car garage so we can add more square footage because more square footage is more money. Okay, so we want to maximize the potential. This is the laundry. But this is all new square footage down here. Because this is a detached home, I was able to move the bedrooms on the side. So I do 2 in the back. So we have 2 bedrooms here, and then we have the back in the middle. And we did the whole new backyard with all new fences. So we always do the backyard, try to make it as useful as possible.
Right. And so you legalize downstairs.
This is downstairs. We raised we lowered. We thought maybe 6 inches to make it higher. Yeah. Okay. Since we're doing a lot of foundation anyway, so we always thought this is a new staircase. The stair used to be, the traditional down the middle.
Right. Okay.
So but that takes up a lot of the wasted space.
So show us upstairs.
Yeah. So I always move it to the side. It costs a little bit more, but I think it's worth it.
Right.
It's really nice. It kind of flows with the upstairs when it comes down.
Let's go take a look in the backyard of last year.
Right. It was backyard,
What did you do in the backyard, Mike?
Yeah, so it was like 2 level, and then there was like, a lot of steps, and there was a lot of trees and stuff. So we rip everything out, we lower everything to the same height. And, we did a little concrete here so we can put some furniture, so, chairs. And this is probably plants all around. And in the middle, probably some grass. I kept simple, all new fence and, new sidings in the back too.
So we're here in the San Francisco, Richmond. How close are we to the ocean and Golden Gate Park?
This is, about 10 blocks to the ocean beach over here. And maybe 1 block to Golden Gate Park. So, people like to run and hike.
Right.
There's a golf course right over here too.
What is that called?
Or I think it's Lincoln.
Okay.
Yeah, and so this is a very good neighborhood. I mean, there's a lot of stuff on Balboa Street.
Right. Didn't Robin Williams just Robin Williams lived right over in the 20 down 20.
Yeah, that's a little bit different neighborhood. That's secret.
Okay.
That's about over 15 million, right?
So, Mike, tell us what's going on up here.
And so up here we did a whole new layout. We opened everything up in the front here, and we moved all the bedrooms to the back. That way, this is a small house up here, so we want to make it a little bigger.
So, how many square feet was here again?
I think it's about under 100 up on the top. So when you come in, you will see like wall here, and that would be a bedroom, and there'll be a wall here. So you can't really see how big is it. That's why we moved the wall here and here, and I moved the kitchen up to the front, and I turned the kitchen to the bedroom in the back.
Okay.
Yeah, and then I turned this bedroom to a dining, so that now you can see it's all open. So we do all the structural, we open up skylight, pretty much, we copy paste a lot of our projects because we do this style of home a lot.
Right, and you've been doing it extensively for the last 8 years.
Yeah.
All the way down to the stud. And we screw it brand new. And so, wow, that's incredible.
Yeah, from the sewer, we do a new driveway if we need to, so we rip everything else. Since you're doing all that, might as well go out. If they don't want to do everything, and then lay on the sewer is old, and then, they have the only one got a problem, that you gotta rip the cement and we do all the sewer. So we make sure we do everything brand new. That way, they get a peace of mind, like we tell them that, we have warranty and everything. And they call us about problem, we know it's not true because we did everything brand new. Wow. And we do it, and then we skip here and there that we're not sure, right? Then they say, hey, we got a flood over there. Then maybe the sewer broke or something broke, right? We didn't want to spend $10,000 to do it, but we really spent like $400. Might as well spend $10,000.
$400,000.
Yeah, this one costs about, I didn't get the total receipt from the office yet, but usually we try to keep it about
$500,000 remodel. So I guess it would be great just to do the whole house all the way down to the stud, every screw brand new.
Yeah, I love that. From all the way from the roof all the way down. So you got new gutters, new roof, new skylight, new sewer, new foundation, new pretty much windows, everything. Yeah,
everything's brand new. That's great. I know that your walls are absolutely flawless. Most flips I see, you could either see the tape or the screws. How do you get it like this?
The kind of all projects we go, we do level 5. So basically, after they do the taping and the mudding and sanding, we throw on another skin of mudding. Oh, do the whole house, ceiling, everything, and then we hand sand everything wall by wall to make sure it's even. Yes, and it takes a lot of labor. And it's probably for this size, as I said, you do just a regular sheetrock, about $8,000, and to do level 5, they're probably another $4,000.
Oh my, okay. But it looks amazing. Your walls are not your ordinary look, and that's all.
So to go with the walls, you really have like really nice clean cut trims. Everything has to be cut really nice and even, and everything has to be, pretty detailed. So our contractors do a really good job. Yeah, they take their time.
All right. So tell us the numbers. I think the audience really wants, they like the numbers. Let's end this video by telling us how much you bought for, how much you put in, and what is your end product.
So, we got this about $1 million.
Okay.
And, we plan to put in like 5.
Okay, 1.5.
Yeah, but, hopefully with this market, we can get 2, 3. 2, 3. Usually for something like this, I can get more when it's hot. I was getting about 2.5, 2.6 before. And, I have the bigger ones, I would sell a little bit more.
Wow.
And, but, at a 2, 3, we're still, making some, good money.
Yeah. Oh, just 800,000. Yeah, a little bit, but
ours a little bit disappointed, but
yeah, we just made 600. What a bad day in real estate. So how long is some project like this?
We usually get it done within a year, depending on the timing of If I see it that, it's hitting December and January, then I'll slow down because everyone's on vacation, the contractor and the rain. So we will slow down and drag it to like March. So I just picked up one, this week, and I can get it done in 6 months, and then, we'll hit December. But, I'm just gonna, move the crew to other projects and then try to get that one done, like projected done, probably January, and then put on the market in March.
Okay.
I guess it was good to get that early, but then to put on the market, we delayed. Yeah.
And then here, you're perfectly fine because you have like very unique, custom-made homes that are,
We actually have, like fires lined up and agents calling me to see, hey, what you got coming up? I have fires. So I let them know. So sometimes we already have fires lined up already too.
Okay, because they know your work, they know what you do, and you do it right. Because you warranty the home, which is incredible.
Contractor got warranty, everything, roof got warranty, all the appliances, everything is brand new, all manufacturer warranty. The contractor's work has warranty. So far we have no problem with any of the projects we sold. All the buyers, called us and really thanked us, so
that's great. Get a lot of contractors here, there, in the city. They just do lipstick on a tape, which they come in and they change the floor, do some paint, maybe change the toilet, change the tiles, and then that's it. Yeah, put in like 50 grand, 30 grand, and then call it a day. And then of course, there could be some challenges after the sale.
San Francisco is different too. So a lot of times when I see a lot of contractors to get into something like this, and then they make one mistake, and then the city's, on them, and they're stuck bleeding for, like loss. So sometimes we come in and we buy those projects too.
Oh, wow. Yeah.
Okay. A lot of violations and stuff, and then we just know how to break it. That's all.
Right. Well, everyone, Mike here, obviously he's been doing it for a long time, and his projects are the best. And you could tell by the detail, by the wall. I mean, he'll do everything from every nail, the sewer line, the electrical, everything brand new to sell. I mean, obviously your customers are following you. The agents in the area are following you for a reason, because you're one of the best, if not the best, in San Francisco. Anyway, thank you for following. We're not done yet. This is basically, we're going to go into part 2 once it's fully done and staged. And hopefully we can get the final numbers then. Thank you.